Dear students, today we will discuss about the chapter Heredity and Evolution. And the question is that a Mendelian experiment consisted of breeding tall plants bearing violet flowers with short pea plants bearing white flowers. The progeny all bore violet flowers, but almost half of them were short. This suggests that the genetic makeup of the tall parent can be predicted as. So in this question, we have to predict the genetic makeup of parent. Okay. So for this question, if you have to solve, first what we can then that as you know in first question we have to go according to what was given up to us, breeding. So breeding tall plants, so first we make the for tall, okay, it is capital T. And violet flower is denoted by capital W. With short pea plant means small t and bearing white flowers, okay, which is small w. So this is the condition, okay, we can write it as parents. So this is parents, okay. So now if we take out their gametes, okay, so gamete will be formed by capital T is T, and from here W, and here small t, and from this W small w. So we can write it as gametes. So students, when we make cross between them, okay, so you can see if we make a cross T T, and from this again it's T, sorry, is T and small w, and here capital W small t and capital W and small w. So this is the condition, okay. So in the given question, crossing between the tall pea plants bearing violet flower with short pea plant, you can see here question, read carefully. So short pea plants bearing white flowers yield progeny with violet flower, okay. So progeny will be formed here violet, okay. So it means that what it suggests, it suggests that violet flower color is dominant over white flower color, okay. So this violet color, okay, this violet color is dominant over this white. So this is the suggestion, first suggestion from this question, okay. Now you can see what we can conclude again. So as you know, it is a test cross, okay, because it is a test cross. As you know, in test cross what happened, in test cross it involves breeding of tall pea plants bearing violet flower with a phenotypically recessive individual, okay, short pea plants bearing white flowers. So you can understand it easily, because test cross means what, okay, when we cross progeny with its recessive parent, okay, short pea plants which bear the gametes, okay, gametes of white flowers. Then as you know that as all the progeny are showing the dominant trait for flower color, okay, all the progeny, if you see, all the progeny will show the trait for the dominant trait of flower color, the parent plant would be dominant homozygous, okay, homozygous, and its flower will be capital W, okay. For violet flower, as you know, it should be capital W, okay. So contrary to this, almost half of the progeny were short, okay. Contrary to this, half of the progeny will be here looking short, okay. So half will be progeny will be short, and other half were tall. So that means the ratio, if we talk about their ratio, it will become one by one, because half tall and half short. Okay, so this result of the test growth suggests that the parent plant would be heterozygous for the plant length. Okay, plant length. So parent plant, so what we can conclude, parent plant should be heterozygous. So tt, as you can see from here. Okay, so parent plant will be heterozygous here. Okay, so it will become heterozygous. So now we can easily get our answer, genotype. So genotype of tall parent, so what we can write answer. Okay, genotype, genotype of tall parent. So genotype of tall parent will be, if you see here, genotype of parent is TT. Okay, as you know, TTWW. Okay, because it is heterozygous. Okay, and the dominant color is violet, so it should be, so our answer is here C. Okay, our answer is C, capital T, small t, and capital W, capital W. So this is our answer. I hope you understand it. Thank you.